Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Thursday, February 29th, 2024. It's a leap year, so we have an extra day this year in February. It happens every 4 years, and I think it's from the Gregorian calendar. They did this to line up the calendar with the Earth's orbit, if my memory is correct. So anyway, it's an extra day in February, and we have an extra day this year. So you have an extra day in 2024 to live a great life, okay? And that's what we're talking about here today. GreatLife Worldwide. This company launched just over a month ago. It used to be called American Dream Nutrition, and the owner wanted to add digital products and make it a global company. All right, when it was ADN, they were just selling nutritional supplements in the United States and Canada, but they opened up a whole new global marketplace by adding digital products in here. And there's several reasons why I love this company and why I truly believe it's going to be the #1 network marketing company by the year's end. Not only having the digital and the physical products, that opens up the whole globe, as I mentioned, but the company also gives back to charities. The owner is super transparent, and the compensation plan is something I've never seen before, okay? So what happens is when you join this company, I'm going to show you right here, you can become a member for a one-time enrollment fee of $49. This includes your first month membership of $20, and then it's $20 each month thereafter to be an active member, okay? Now, what you get for your $20 monthly membership is your own personal life coach package. And this includes all kinds of stuff. Like it says, dozens and dozens of audiobooks, ebooks, and courses. We have live weekly life coach Zoom meetings. We have a huge library of audio and ebooks. You learn how to develop the right mindset and attitude, setting and achieving goals, overcoming procrastination, self-confidence, self-compassion, self-esteem, and it just goes on and on. There's all kinds of value that you get in this company for your $20 monthly membership. And then, of course, we have other digital products that you can add on to your monthly membership, like a personal trainer, a personal chef. There's a celebrity life coach if you want to do that. And then we have all kinds of nutritional supplements to help you live a healthier, happier, wealthier life. Okay? So that's the point of this company, to live a happier, healthier, wealthier life. And the reason I'm having success with this company is because I have some systems in place to help me share this opportunity with other people, okay? Now, the last I knew, I had, I have 17 personal distributors underneath me, and I started back on February 1st, okay? So to some, that's a little, but to a lot of people, that's a lot of personal enrollments to get in 1 month's time, okay? And I've done other videos about this, but what I've done to have success and to get 17 distributors in this company in 1 month time, and actually we still have about 6.5 hours left before the day's over, so it's possible I could get another sign up. But what I've done is I use Facebook, I use YouTube, I use business cards right here. Super simple business cards, a very memorable domain name. And I just have joinruss.com. I have my email address on here, so if people want to reach out to me, and I have my name. All right. I picked up 500 of these from Vistaprint for $60. That includes shipping. So wherever I go, I've just been handing out these business cards, tacking them up on boards, leaving them on a counter. You can leave them, if you go out to a restaurant, leave them with your tip. There's all kinds of ways to get business cards into the hands of people, and you never know who's going to take a look at that and go onto your website and join, okay? I also use a company called My Lead Gen Secret. All right, and if you go to 100 leads every day, there's links down below for all this. You can come in here and check out this 8-minute and 46-second video, and it's going to show you how this works. And basically, you get 100 leads every day for $1 a day. So you can join this for $30 a month. And if you refer somebody to the program, they're going to give you an additional 100 bonus leads every day. So it's possible to join this your first day, get a new, enroll somebody into the company, refer somebody, and by the end of the month, you're going to have 6,000 leads that you can go and email every single day, every 24 hours, all with inside your back office. So you don't have to worry about canned spam. You don't have to worry about anything. These are legit leads. They're all business opportunity seekers. And they work. I mean, they're cold leads, so they don't know you right away. And it's not like you're going to go and send out an email and get 100 sales right away. But if you learn to email market, which I'll help you do, over time, you can warm these leads up to where they know, like, and trust you, and you can start making sales. Okay? So I use this, and then I also use multiple income funnel. All right? Now, if you go to watchmifvideo.com, watchmifvideo.com, it'll take you over to this page. There's a 21-minute video here, and I really recommend that you watch this. It's worth every minute because the person who put this together, Mac Mills, he's earned tens of millions of dollars online. I believe he earns right around $1 million a month currently. And this funnel system is absolutely brilliant because what it does is it allows you to build your business opportunity. For me, it's GreatLife Worldwide, and have several other sources of income streams all within the same funnel. Okay, so I'm going to log into my back office and show you. And this has been newly updated for 2024. And all you do here, you can join this for $49 a month, become a member, get your own funnel set up, and there's also a yearly option, and I highly recommend you do the yearly option if you can afford it. Because with the yearly option, when somebody joins you at the yearly option, you're going to earn $200 commissions, okay? As opposed to if you join at the monthly and somebody joins you at the monthly, you're going to get $20. But if they join you at the yearly, you're only going to get $20. The other 180 is going to get rolled up to the next person in line who has the yearly membership, okay? So it's super important if you can, put it on a credit card if you have to, because you can seriously make your money back the very same week. And I'm going to show you that I did that. I made most of my money back the same week, okay? So when you log into your account here, you just watch this first video, you set up your income streams, you set up your e-wallet, and then you take a back office tour. And the whole thing, it doesn't take you very long. Maybe if you're brand new, it might take you an hour or so, but there's training, it shows you how to do everything. And if you need help with anything, reach out to me. I'm here to help you out. But it's a really good program. And as you can see, this is what when people sign up with me, this is what they see when they log into their back office. All right, we have income stream number 1. That's the multiple income funnel. And that's the same for everybody. Number 2, you can add your own. And I have GreatLife Worldwide. So when they click on this, they're going to see a video that I put in here. And then they can come over here and click the Join Now button. Income stream number 3 is classified submissions. I really like this company. I like the owner. I've been a member of this company for years. I've used them. They deliver what they say they're going to do. And basically what it does is it takes your ad and it posts it on thousands of different classified sites online. All right. And then income stream number 4 is traffic authority, where you can earn over $5,000 per sale. So back when this system first came out, and up until just this past year, you couldn't change number 2 or 3, right? You had to use what was in place here that Mac Mills put in here, okay? And I know that turned a lot of people off because a lot of people weren't, they weren't into the programs that were back here. Not that there was anything wrong with the programs in the back office. It's just that it didn't align with everybody. So I think it's great that he made this so that anybody can come in here and you can change number 2 and 3. All right, number 1 and number 4 stay the same because traffic authority is affiliated with multiple income funnel. Okay. Then there's also a bonus income stream number 5, which is where I have my lead gen secret. All right, so it's really cool. You have many different pages that you can promote here. Let me go back here. All right, so there's a lot of different capture pages here that you can use. And I will just show you my commission. Now, I just joined this on February 24th, and on the 26th here, you can see I earned a $200 commission. Now, not only did I get a $200 commission, I also got a lifetime, or not a lifetime, a yearly subscription to classified ads. So somebody went and signed up for a year, and I made a $98 commission. So just a couple days ago, I earned $298 and what, 48 cents just by using this funnel. Now, I wouldn't have made that money if I was just showing everybody my tour page to GreatLife Worldwide. All right. And that's why I like having this in place here, because it's such an awesome funnel. The videos do all the work. You just share your link out, and all, you know, when you join me in this, I'm going to send you over 80 different places that you can share this link and promote my multiple income funnel. Okay. So that is what I'm doing here to have success in GreatLife Worldwide. Like I said, I've signed up 17 distributors this month. We still have a little bit of time left here today, but that's what I'm doing. YouTube, Facebook, I love to do live streams, okay, both on YouTube and Facebook, but then I also just do video uploads like this one. I'm using the business cards here. Just get a business card, try to get a domain name. I recommend GoDaddy. That's where I buy all my domain names. They're about 12 bucks for the first year. And then what you want to do is you want to get my lead gen secret. Start getting 100 leads every day, and you can mail out once a day, and then get multiple income funnel. And you put all these things in this one system here, and you can earn over $5,000 per referral. All right. So that is what I'm doing. That is what I recommend. If you have any questions about any of this, get in touch with me. My link is down below for my Facebook page. You can send me a message there. Just make sure that you say that you're looking for help or you want more info on this. I get a lot of messages every day, and I don't want to miss yours, okay? But you can also leave a comment down in the comment section as well, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. All the links for everything here are down below. All right, you can go to joinruss.com. That will take you over to my capture page for GreatLife if you're just interested in that. All right, you'll come to this. There's a 4-minute and 51-second video. You just enter your first name, last name, email, click take the free tour, and you'll get more information on this great company where $20 monthly memberships will help you earn through 12 levels deep without enrolling anyone. Or I should say will qualify you to earn through 12 levels deep without enrolling anyone. Excuse me. All right. So I appreciate you always taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value and you're watching this, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out a lot and I greatly appreciate it. And I look forward to working with you and helping you make some money. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.